Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In the previous lesson, you learned how to write an invitation and how to react to it. In this video, you will be learning how to express your likes and dislikes. To practice what you learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. So let's begin. Lektion 52. Gefallen und Missfallen ausdrücken. Let's first learn how to express something that you like. Gefallen ausdrücken. So, if you like something, you could say, Das gefällt mir. Das in this sentence and in the next ones can be replaced by a person or a thing. You can say, gefällt mir. Or you can say, Das Auto gefällt mir. Another variation is, Das gefällt mir sehr gut. Just like the previous sentence, you can replace das with a thing or a person. Let's look at a few more ways to express your liking. Ich hatte viel Spaß. You would use this when you're talking about something that you did. Es ist oder Es war toll. Es war klasse. Es ist super. Sometimes you can add an adverb to make your feelings sound better. For example, das ist ganz toll. Oder ich finde das echt klasse. So ganz and echt are being used as adverbs. Let's look at a few more of them. Das finde ich total schön. Oder ich finde das wirklich super. Do remember to add emotions. Let's look at a sample dialogue to express a liking. Hi Tom, wie findest du mein Kleid? Das finde ich echt schön. Und meine Schuhe? Die finde ich auch klasse. Now let's see how to express dislikes. Missfallen ausdrücken. Das gefällt mir nicht so gut. Do remember that in all these sentences you can replace das with a person or a thing. Here's another one. Das gefällt mir überhaupt nicht. As you can see, here also you could use a few adverbs. It's important not to mix the adverbs that you used for expressing liking with the adverbs used for expressing disliking. Here's another one. Das finde ich hässlich oder das finde ich schlecht. Das gefällt mir gar nicht. So, was gefällt dir und was gefällt dir gar nicht? Do write your answers in the comments below. To practice what you have learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!